The importance of sustainability in sports infrastructure, or in any sector of the built environment, shouldn't be a question anymore. Building sustainably means building for performance, building for the user, and building for the long term. These are fundamental principles, not just nice to haves. We believe that sustainable sports infrastructure should be a holistic consideration from a macro level by establishing facilities in connected locations close to public transport, and designing these facilities to ensure that they can adapt to different sporting and community purposes, right down to a micro level with consideration to materiality, energy consumption and comfort. Utilising timber in sport facility design and other building typologies makes sense. It's fundamentally a good product, from a buildability perspective, structurally, as a finished solution, and its long-lasting lifespan, particularly in corrosive environments. We hope that very soon the conversation will change, and the question won't be about why would you use timber in the built environment, but rather, why wouldn't you use it?
I think that sustainability is really important in the delivery of sports infrastructure in the same way that it is for every other type of building that we might deliver. I think as practitioners in the built environment, we've got a responsibility to steward the resources we have at our disposal to build buildings as best we can, and I think it's incumbent upon us as practitioners to find smart ways to do more with less. And I think for sports infrastructure, mass timber offers some really unique opportunities apart from the benefits of biophilia that everybody loves. There's some really great opportunity to build wide-span structures that are slender and prefabricated and beautifully resolved, very efficient to deliver with mass timber.
The sustainability of sporting venues is critically important because of their scale, intensity and visibility. Fans, sponsors and cities alike expect their teams to be role models and champions of sustainability. For us, design for manufacture, assembly and disassembly needs to be employed for those one big international event venues. Imagine a prefab kit of parts that can be readily disassembled and applied to a wide range of other building typologies once the big event has left town. Quite often in long span projects such as stadia, the structure is the architecture. We use timber because it's one of the only renewable structural materials and it brings a host of biophilic benefits. In Australia, we're lucky enough to have some of the most beautiful sustainable yield native hardwoods, and with recent advances in surface treatment technologies, we now have greatly improved gluing properties and significantly improved durability of the coatings we specify. There are a host of reasons to use timber in long span sporting facilities because they really can take advantage of what engineered timber can deliver.